Hi, my name is Riley, GETUS AI Tech Expert. Welcome to the step-by-step installation guide for GETUS Home TV's set-top box. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the CipherTV Bar, an infrared remote control, an Ethernet cable, an HDMI cable, a mount stand, a power adapter, and the CipherTV Bar manual. Before we begin, let's go over the ports on the back of your CipherTV Bar and their functions. The 3.5mm AV port is no longer in use. OTG port, designed exclusively for system programming and flashing the operating system. This is a factory use port, and at the same time it can be used also as a USB port. There are two USB ports. These allow you to connect external devices like USB flash drives for media playback. HDMI port. This is your main connection to the TV, providing high-definition video and audio. Ethernet port. For the best experience, always use a wired connection. Ethernet ensures stable, uninterrupted streaming. DC power port. This is where you plug in the power adapter to turn on the device. Factory use only button. This small button is strictly for firmware programming and system recovery by authorized technicians. It is not meant for user operation, and pressing it could disrupt the system. Now that you know the CipherTV Bar's back ports, let's move on to mounting and connecting your device. Mounting and connections. Now, let's mount and connect your CipherTV Bar. Attach the mount stand by aligning it with the grooves on the bottom of the device. Then mount it on top of your TV. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the CipherTV Bar and the other to your TV. For the best performance, always use a wired Ethernet connection. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the LAN port on the CipherTV Bar and the other end into your router. Finally, connect the power adapter and turn on your TV. Once your TV is turned on, don't forget to navigate to the correct input in your TV, which is HDMI. Once your device is connected, the next step is to log in. Customers do not need to register. Your account is pre-registered by GETUS. Enter the credentials provided by GETUS. Check login automatically, so you don't have to enter details every time. Click login, and that's it. Your CipherTV Bar is now set up and ready to go. Explore lots of TV channels, stream your favorite content, and enjoy a whole new entertainment experience. If you need more help, visit getus.ca for support. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.